If you're over 50 and halfway through the day, your foundation starts to look patchy, it's clinging to texture, maybe it's separating or fading around your nose, I found a drugstore primer that has completely changed my mature foundation. I'm 58 with oily, mature skin, and I have never in my life had anything that gave my makeup the staying power that this primer does. Be sure to hang out with me for a minute because there is absolutely a secret to applying foundation over a primer. Now, I have seen several people recommend this Maybelline Grippy Serum. This is 24-hour hydration. So not only does this hold on to your makeup like no other, but it also hydrates all day long. And this is a dropper. So all you have to do is put some on the back of your hand. And because I'm super oily, I mostly concentrate this in my T-zone. I need makeup to last over my 11, around my nose and my mouth, but you apply this on your cheeks if you want to. Now, let this dry down for a minute or two, and this will be super, super tacky. I'm going to apply foundation over this now, but I want to say if large pores are a bigger issue for you, watch this video here where I talk about gripping primer versus blurring primer. Over this primer, I'm going to apply the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint, and I'm using the shade 6 Light Cool. And if you want to see what I did before primer, so an entire skin prep video so that your makeup really looks beautiful all day long, I will link that video at the end. The key to getting smooth makeup over primer or over skincare is bouncing your foundation with a makeup sponge, if you prefer that. I prefer a brush, and I'm stippling the foundation. I applied it to my hand, worked it into the brush, and now I'm just tapping. You get beautiful, even coverage. Now the primer is going to grip the foundation, and because we tapped, this makeup isn't going anywhere. I want to know if you're going to try this gripping primer. Everything that I used will be linked down in the description below. Try that link for the gripping primer. It's the best price that I have found it anywhere. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe. My name's Dawn, and I just want to help you love wearing makeup again over 50. That skin prep video is right here. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.